Yo, what's up YouTube? This is USA 9. Oh, this is Redhead 902, sorry. Oh crap.
And I'm here too.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, Brandon Sipsick.
I was in his last two videos. No idea. I'm famous. Oh yeah, we are Steves on this because we see each other as Steves for some reason.
Yeah.
But
by the way, visit this video. It's just amazing.
yeah, it's concentrated tacos. Yeah.
This is who we're sponsored
when you're on,
by,
join
so
SG21. Come on, SG21.
Okay, sorry. And we're gonna play some of this while we listen to some music. Everybody dance.
Oh, dude, respawn. Dude, we're just gonna have to do a separate game for right now.
No, I want to do a game with you. They have to see your face. What is it actually? What?
It already started.
Okay, what is it though? SG21?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. SG23.
Did you see that guy?
Brain and taco.
Oh, okay, you watching me?
Okay, I'm sorry for that. It was just my moment.
Oh yeah, we have a little kid next to us. Say
Yeah,
hi,
his name is Turtle.
Say hi, Nick. He's 6.
Okay, he's
Oh,
7.
big deal. Yeah, you're
What?
7.
Taco. Come on, dance, Brandon. I got you on video.
Yeah, see, we're Steve.
Dance, dance, dance. Yeah.
No, this serious crap right here. I'm doing a real thing with dying in it. So gotta act natural. I'm on cocaine! Ooh, check. Oh, I wish you were here. I got you gold boobies. Oh, I need food too. Oh, I just hit the tree. Where is that? Over here? Yeah! I have a lot of stuff.
You can't be so loud, dude. People are sleeping.
So loud.
Oops.
Kill yourself, or we'll play a game together. Bye, Brandon. Kill yourself.
Hold on. If I don't get a sword out of the chest, I'll kill
See,
it.
look at this is. If you want to see all that, then just go ahead. But
Hold on, if I get a sword out of the chest, I
Oh,
will.
you're right here.
I will quit.
tacos.
Oh, dang it, I didn't get a sword. And I have almost full
And
armor.
close your eyes.
I'll
It's
die.
raining tacos. Tacos.
Alright, I'm killing myself.
Okay, if you want to join us, I will type in the server's address, and it will be down in the
Oh, it's
comments
just
below.
Woodycraft.net.
Yeah. So I'll show you where SG20.
Alright, I'm in. You in?
Yeah. So I'll type it right now. This is it.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay, that's
Alright,
it.
great.
Woody.
What the heck? Stop doing that, computer. Take the computer.
So if you want to be on YouTube, this is where you go. Thank you. Tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Raining tacos. Raining
Stop it. Doing this girl.
Tacos. Those are just one. Raining penises out of the sky. Penises. Don't need to ask why. Open your penis and close your
Oh, I really don't want to ask why now.
eyes. Raining tacos.
I have almost full armor for you.
Oops!
Are you dead?
I hate people.
I hate everyone.
This is why I hate
His
Ray.
name was Mythic Turtle. So I think you would like him.
I hate turtles.
What?
I hate barrels.
Oh. There's a guy beating the crap out of me. He left my armor. So I'm gonna die on purpose.
You guys could also
I
ask
died on
us
purpose.
what you want to listen to, what song next video.
Yeah, I
Don't forget to leave that in the comments, but if you guys don't, comment on this, we'll just pick one ourselves again. SG26.
No, SG4. How much does 26 have?
7.
9.
8.
Where's SG4?
This is the second one. Right there.
Okay, go ahead.
In the
I hate this
sky.
level.
Sky.
Nick, did you realize it's 11:16? You're supposed to be in bed, right?
Tacos.
Oh, I have a mustache on my mouth.
Tacos. No need to ask why.
I'm 10.
Open your butt and close your eyes. It's
I got a wood sword.
Tacos.
I had a wood sword. Alright, David, where are you?
I just climbed the thing. Run! David's screwed.
I just killed someone. Wait,
David.
what the heck? What? What? Dude, that guy was a hacker. I got like 10 hits on him. He only got 3 and he killed me.
Wow.
Yeah, I hate hackers. You have like
Yes.
4
No, I don't.
Oh my god, remember the hacker in PvP? In
Oh my
Marvel?
gosh, that was horrible.
That guy was flying around. He didn't even like do anything.
I love this song.
I hate this song.
That's your fault. Go to bed.
Yeah, Dave. I mean, Nick.
I'm just kidding. I
Ooh, eggs. This is what I'm going to use for my defense if somebody's coming up with me with a sword. Eggs. Don't forget, guys, eggs.com has the best eggs that you could buy right now.
like this. It's not in my place.
Yes, it is. No, shut up.
It's not like cheese. It does actually.
Okay, David's dying.
No, yes, snowballs. Get away. Eggs do more damage than snowballs. You don't get my armor, sucker.
That's what I always do. If a guy is like way worse armor than me and I have like no sword and he has a sword, then I'll just jump.
Let me see.
Ooh, SG6.
What is that?
It's over there.
Oh, awesome, join it.
Okay. Yes, Sweetville too. That's awesome. Yum, 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 yum. No, I'm not. That guy just said I'll fudge you. Watch your language, boy. I'll kick you this knees. I got a wood sword. What the heck? What the heck?
Just find some guys.
Oh, I think I would, Rick. That chasing me. And he's got a freaking OP thing.
What's OP? I like OP in
Yep. I have 2 hearts. Are you kidding me? Jesus God, everybody's down there.
If this is like takes me. Yeah, just checking.
Finally, I'm not chasing
Because
me.
if you don't, then you'll die.
Rain and tacos from out of my butt. Tacos don't need to sleep. It's raining butt toast.
I love butt toast.
Yeah, me too.
That's where you put the butt out of the
This song is just so amazing. I can't believe somebody actually figured out some topics.
Yeah, I know. I wonder who made this.
You.
I wish I made this song.
Why would you say no then?
I was like,
I would eat you, Nick, if you don't eat myself.
I'm a taco, so.
Yeah, I would eat you if you were a taco.
oh, dude, me to spawn.
Hey guys, David, you really like the bouncy place. It had a lot of
Ah!
bouncy stuff. And it had tacos there. I'm not even kidding. And
Brayden, I just died and I saw you.
No, you're just. Is that the guy that killed you?
No. I died from...
5,
I don't know.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Minecraft.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your mouth. It's mouth and mouth.
Lucky I can't sprint.
Oh my gosh, did you notice this?
Yeah. Oh, cake.
If you go up here, that'd be amazing. Look at this. I'm inside Santa.
Killed a guy.
Why are you outside?
Oh, crap.
Do you think I should change the song?
Why?
What song? It's been like 11 minutes, I think.
Oh, crap. Wow.
That's how long we've been doing this video for. Yep, 11 minutes. Okay, so what now?
What'd you find?
Put on Pompeii.
I don't think that much is gonna
Okay.
help you.
It's
No, I think
actually
we
a really
get
good song.
copyright.
Yeah, I probably would. So, oh, finally, we found 10 out of them.
What? Where?
No, I'm in top one. Ah, dude, hurry up so we can do
This
these.
one.
What is it?
This song is made by Turkey. So if you
Oh, okay. Top. Dude, I'm dead, so. It's really cold. Alright, are you I can sing it?
what the heck is
Oh, wait, you
this?
just look on your computer with the same flag.
Huh?
I forgot, you just look at your computer. Dude, come on, join, come on. We gotta join SG11, come on, home.
No, we have to start the video. So
No, no, we don't. That's just his intro.
Yeah, I know, but we have to start the video. It's been 11 minutes. So, time to sign off. And by signing off, I mean we're going to go sign off, pretty much. And then we'll make another video later. And this is how I'm going to sign off. Invisible, humping a chest.